before starting data migration, we need to keep some points in mind, that custom properties and configuration wise properties are properly filled in all files. Second point is all references correct, all the references should be correct. And third point is there should be no error in the assembly, and revision value should be filled in all files custom property. So we will copy these files and migrate it to our PDM vault. Let's copy it first, then we will go to our PDM vault. We will create one new folder in the custom product name. The folder name would be burner assembly. Let's create the folder, product name burner assembly. Then we will give a product number and then customer name. Now the folder structure will be created. Here we will copy our file in the CAD data folder. Let's copy it. Once the file are copied, then we will check all the file in. That's all the files are copied. Now we will check in the files. The next step would be updating all the files by rebuilding them. First, let's check in the files. During check-in, we need to keep in mind that we have to give comment. All the files are checked in. Now we will go to rebuild all these files. That means we are going to update all these files by using the SolidWorks task scheduler. We will open the task scheduler. Before that, we need to check out the files again. We will check out the files. Then we will go to task scheduler, update files. Then we will add the folder location, the vault which files we need to update. In custom, we will go to burner assembly. Then we will go to CAD data and select that folder, and we will click on finish. The update file process will start. We will refresh the screen and click on update files. It will show the subtask. We will refresh once more. It will show all the files here. Let's wait for it to complete the process. Once it is complete, we will move to next step. Now all the files, as you can see, all the files have been updated. The next step would be to check in the files. We will select all the files and check it back in the vault. Keep in mind to give comment. Once the files are checked in, now the next process would be updating their revision by using the legacy workflow, which will set it revision. For that, we will select all the files. Before that, let's see. Here we can see that all the revision, description value, material value has been updated once we update the file. Now let's select all the files and update their revision by moving them through legacy workflow. Change state. We will select the files, do right click on change state, then set revision. Now we will add here a comment why we are using this workflow. After adding comment, we will click on change state. Now all the files are gone in release state. Here you can see in the data card all the files revision value has been updated. The next revision will come automatically, which is 1. for all the files. So this is the process how we can update migrate data in PDM.